Aperture Explained in 90 seconds. Aperture is basically the opening in your lens that allows more light to enter into the camera. It is one of the 3 main tools that you should begin to understand to really improve your photography. Now, you'll typically see aperture specified on your DSLR as an F number, and your lens has a series of f-stops that it can be set to. These numbers can be a little tricky to understand at first, so I have this old Pantex camera to help us visualize everything. Now, these numbers work opposite from what you would think. The smaller the number, the more light is allowed in. The larger the number, the less light is allowed in. Let's take a look at this up close. Now, this is at f1.7, and as you can see, a lot of light is being allowed in. Now, as we adjust all the way to f22, you'll see these f-stops closing in, allowing a lot less light to enter into your camera. Now, aperture, along with your focal length, will also help you control your depth of field. And that works a little bit more in line with what you would think. The smaller the f-stop, the smaller the depth of field is to work with. The larger the f-stop, the larger depth of field you have to work with. Here's some examples to visualize the whole thing. This photo was taken at 85 millimeters at an aperture of 1.2. Now, as we increase the number to f16, more and more comes into focus because our depth of field is also increasing. Of ISO, shutter speed, and aperture, I think aperture will change your photography the most. Take your camera and adjust only the aperture and just play. You'll really quickly begin to realize just how important this tool is. And that is Aperture in 90 seconds. My name is Andrew Russell. Thank you for being here. Subscribe if you're not already, and if you want to check out my other 90-second videos, here they are. We'll see you in the next one.